Hello traders, this is Orlando for Snipe the Trade, and today we're going to go through today's Euro GBP long position on which we made around 95 pips. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open my terminal and I'm going to go to account history and I'm going to grab today's Euro GBP long position and drop it on my chart. All right, as you can see here, we had our stops all the way down here for about a 54 pip stop loss, if I'm not mistaken. We got filled long right here at the blue arrow at 85.197, and we had our targets at 86.20. Okay, so basically we were in an almost 1-to-2 risk to reward scenario, because we were risking 54 pips to make 101 pips. Okay, so this was a great opportunity for us to buy the pound, and the reason we wanted to buy the pound is because we were testing this zone of support. Now you remember when we picked all the way up here and we broke with this area of support that later we tested as resistance. We then came down and tested this area of next support. Okay, we tested it once here, then we tested it again, then we tested the resistance zone, and when we came back we were waiting for a buy opportunity around this zone. Now the good thing about today, and one of the reasons we decided to go long or to put this trade on, is because we had the monetary policy meeting in the UK, on which the MPC was going to decide on the official bank rate and the asset purchase facility. Okay, now basically all the economic policies remain unchanged, with the bank rate steady at 0.25% and a asset purchase facility of 435 billion pounds. And but this is not the only thing that made us go short the pound by buying the Euro GBP. The other thing was Carney's press conference on the quarterly inflation report. So basically what's going on in the UK is that because of the Brexit, we've had some selling pressure on the pound. Okay, and the pound has been depreciating, causing inflation to rise, and the inflation is rising above the Bank of England's targets, which means that it is very probable that the Bank of England is going to have to intervene by augmenting its QE. So basically we wanted to go long, but we were not going to front run this news, so we basically put on a nice buy stop right here, and we got filled, and within the hour we got filled on our targets. You can see that actually we didn't get to our targets, and I decided to manually close the trade at 86.144, just 5 pips below our targets, and that was because I was looking very closely at price action, and well, there was a very thick struggle between buyers and sellers at this level. So we decided to take our profits at 95 pips, and we end up making $3,106. With a 1% risk on our account, we managed to take a 2% win on this trade. And the good thing for you is that we don't charge a penny for our signals. We give them for free. So if you want to receive our signals for free, just visit snipethetrade.com and click on the free package.